learning plus art that will make Desart a family. Yes, you will learn something. Stop. Sorry for the interruption. I am here to tell you that this video contains some important tips on color values. So don't skip it, watch the full video and see the techniques carefully. Carry on. Music please. How to understand color values. This video contains the main explanation about color values. I want to teach you all or make you understand what color values means. You can see I am using watercolor medium. Layer after layer I will do and bring up the volume of the hand. But what's special in it? I am using black and white, a monochromatic tone in it. But the actual picture is in colors, multiple colors. Yes. So how I will bring the volume of the picture same as it is in the color picture. So here comes the values. Every color has a value in its light and shade. So using and understanding the light and shade of a color will help me bring the volume of the hand. So you can see I have finished the first layer of watercolor, the lighter tone, and this is the basic of watercolor. It goes from lighter shades to darker shades, from lights of a color to the shades of a color. I have moved from the first layer to the second layer. You can see the third layer will be done after drying up the paper. Moreover, you have to practice more to understand how much moisture should be on the paper to do the consecutive layers, and this practice helps me to understand the value of colors while using watercolor. And yeah, you can do this by practicing more and more, not only in black and white mode, but you can do it in watercolor with other colors, in multiple color tones, different color palettes. You can test yourself by using or changing the color palettes of a composition. Color values can be studied in any color palettes. So keep practicing, and the main thing is practice and understanding how colors looks in a monochromatic mode. So yeah, you can see I have done the brush from the third layer, so it is because the surface of the brush is harder than the skin, so I have started it from the third layer, and eventually now I am going through the fifth layer of the watercolor. You can already see the volume of the hand coming up. The main trick is I am using white space, not actually the white space but the lighter tone of the color, leaving it and using a darker shades in the shadow portion. And yeah, this is how we can get and understand color values, understand the shades and lights of a color and convert them into a monochromatic palette. So yeah, here we go. Hope this video teaches you something, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below and share your views on this video. Thank you.